Hey YouTube, Breakers Cards 214 back with another video today, and today we have some new stuff. Not Prism yet. Gonna get that tomorrow when my LCS gets it, when it releases. But today we have 2018 Phoenix. I've been seeing a lot of people open this. Pretty good stuff. Rookie patch autographs. You are guaranteed 2 autographs and 1 memorabilia card on average. There are points in this stuff, so that would suck to get points. And knowing myself, I probably will get them. You get 1 color burst pop pack, so you get some good chance to get some variant cards. Maybe some nice rookies with some color burst. And yeah, rising rookie materials signatures featuring pieces of football, glove, and helmet. If you want to take a look at the odds, there they are. You can freeze the video right there. I'm in the background. I got my banger cards out there, my 2 101s, and my number 10 Lamar Jackson, along with my social media stuff. So if you want to follow me on those things, go ahead. And I also put my buddies over at Buck City Breaks, Chris and Adam. Check them out. BuckeyecitySportsCards.com for great breaks every Friday and sometimes Wednesdays. So check them out. But let's get into why we're all here. 2018 Phoenix. Picked this up the other day. Looking forward to it. Looking forward to Prism. My guy told me to come in tomorrow. I could have came in today and picked it up, but I had stuff to do at work, so I couldn't really get to it today. No biggie. I can wait the day. I've seen some people pick some of the first off the line stuff. Saw some errors. I saw Chris G had some error cards, which was pretty shocking to see. Doesn't seem like Panini to do that, to make those kind of mistakes, but apparently they did. This box did not want to open correctly, so here are our packs. We don't need the box. I'll just keep that back there. But here we go. Here are our packs. You get 12 packs, 5 cards per pack. Let's see if we can see any thickness here. And first one looks pretty thick. Keep that on the bottom. And this one looks pretty thick. So it doesn't really matter. We'll shake it up just to see what we got. This box costs $110, I believe I paid for. So some are less, some are more. So you get 5 cards per pack, 12 packs per box, 60 cards, 2 autos, and 1 mem. So let's get to ripping. If you want to hit that sub button for me down below, get them subs up at 100. We're going to do another giveaway. So looking forward to that. And if you would have not seen what the base card looks like, here it is. It's such a beautiful product. I mean, look at the shine on that. You can even see me back there doing my video. That is so much shine. Phoenix is such a great product. This is Keenan Allen. He's on my fantasy team. Hopefully he starts kicking it up a notch a little bit for me. Keenan Allen right there, just the base. So now we can get into the good stuff. Let's see. We got Christian McCaffrey. We have a turnaround card, so I'm going to wait on that one. We got a Jamon Moore rookie. Base. We got a QB Vision, Ryan Tannehill. Actually, the Dolphins are playing right now. Brock Osweiler is behind center. Not numbered or anything, but a cool insert. And our turnaround card. I don't know if this is just a numbered card or what, but it is turned around, so let's see. I know it's Davenport. Marcus Davenport of the New Orleans Saints rookie. It's a gold, I believe. Numbered 275. So 73 is 75. We will put my numbered cards to the side. It's a nice little color variant there. Awesome. So there's our first numbered card. Pack number 2. Phoenix and Prism are such beautiful products, and they both come out right back to back. So this is a great time to be getting football cards, guys. So go out there if you can get them, get them. I would definitely suggest. Odell Beckham, base. LeGarrette Blount, Doug Baldwin. All right, turnaround card here is numbered 13 of 299 of Antonio Brown. Adrenaline Rush, who's also on my fantasy team. #1 pick. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And I believe this guy was Mr. Irrelevant. Trey Quinn rookie card. Okay. So, not bad so far. 2 numbered cards. I think you get a numbered card each pack, if I'm not mistaken. Alright. Ooh, here's our Color Rush. This is our Hot Burst pack. Hot Burst pack. All the cards will be different color, all the same color, but different. We got Julio. Rob Gronkowski, also a member of my fantasy team. I don't think these are numbered. They're just color. They're just a Hot Burst. Most Valuable Player, Matt Ryan insert. Ooh, that's a nice one. Sam Darnold. Hot Burst color variant. That's a nice rookie. That's beautiful. That card's gonna be a sought out after card, I'm sure. And a Tyquan Lewis rookie. Alright, so we flushed out the Hot Burst pack. Let's keep it going here. See if we can hit one of our 3 hits. We're still looking for 2 autos and a mem. David Johnson. Josh Gordon, now with the Patriots. Derwin James, rookie. Oh, we got 2 turnaround cards here. Let's see what this is. We got a Le'Veon Bell, Adrenaline Rush. Numbered. Oh. Numbered to 49. Le'Veon Bell. 45 of 49. Adrenaline Rush to go with my Antonio Brown. And our turnaround card was a Russell Wilson, numbered to 133 of 299. So another 2 numbered cards in that pack. Pretty cool. Pretty good players. Not bad. So number cards are coming at a fast pace. Looking for that 101. Some 101 action like I got in the background. Be pretty cool. We got Cole Beasley. Pat Mahomes. Probably the MVP right now. We got Tariq Cohen. Another numbered. Looks like a maroon variant. 299. Maroon or brown? Can't really tell. Looks maroon. But nonetheless, that's a variant. We got Emmitt Smith. Unmatched. Nice insert. Not numbered. Oop. Not numbered there. And we got a Dante Pettis rookie. I don't believe that's numbered. No. Okay. Oh, this one's a little thicky, so maybe we got our first hit here. Looking for our first hit. It's a little thickness, so I think we got our first hit here. We got TJ Watt. Julio Jones. Josh Sweat, rookie. Oh. So I think I saw who it was. I'll keep it blocked. We got a Kerryon Johnson, red, rookie variant. Numbered to 199. And I believe I saw who it was, which is a PC hit. Even though he's not doing much, but it's still a PC hit. And if you know what I like here, you know I'm going to be pretty happy about that. It is a Jaleel Scott patch card. So I will take it. Jaleel Scott from my Baltimore Ravens. Can't hurt to hit the PC. A little jersey relic there. Not, oh, it is numbered. 275. So Jaleel Scott. Welcome. Welcome. He's not doing much. But still a PC hit. And that's A-okay with me. So our first hit is a Jaleel Scott patch. Put that there. Will not complain about that. Maybe we can get some Lamar Jackson auto love. So we're looking for 2 autos left. Marlon Mack. Gronk. We got Aaron Donald, number 86 of 149. Purple. Oh, they're so beautiful. Such beautiful cards. Look at the color on those. Wow. Another numbered card, 94 of 199. Eric Dickerson, unmatched. I don't know if I've ever seen this many numbered cards, but I'm getting kind of scared about getting points. I don't know. I got 2 packs so far with 2 numbered cards each. So Deshaun Hamilton rookie. I don't know. Let's hope not. That would suck. I mean, I don't mind points. I am building them up, but still, don't want to get those. Kirk Cousins. Jay Ajayi. We got a rookie, Shaquem Griffin. Purple. This was numbered out of 149. Shaquem Griffin. Agility, Deshaun Jackson. Pretty cool insert. And a rookie of Baker Mayfield. Hopefully I still have yet to pull his auto, so that would be pretty cool to pull that. Still waiting. We got another thick card here, so this might be one of our hits. Yes, it is. Antonio Brown. Devontae Adams. We got I'll wait for that one. We got a Jerome Baker, rookie. And we got a numbered Mark Walton. But before we reveal the Mark Walton, let's reveal our rookie jersey auto of that guy that nobody wants to get. Mike Gesicki, numbered 1 of 25. RPA. Nice jumbo patch there. Mike Gesicki. The guy nobody wants, but I'll take it. It's not bad. It's a nice card. It's numbered to 125, but I am hoping for a better auto than that going forward. It would be nice, but I'll take it. And our Mark Walton rookie, numbered to 299. Okay. So we got 3 packs left. Let's see who our last hit will be. J.J. Watt. Alex Smith. Deshaun Jackson. We got an Aaron Rodgers, nice, numbered to 49. Ooh, orange. That's a beauty. number to 49. James Washington rookie. 2 more packs left. Let's see what we got here. Joe Flacco, my man. Rex Burkhead. Shame what happened to him this year. We got a Michael Gallup, number to 99. Orange. Another Aaron Rodgers, except not numbered here. Base. And Ryan Izzo. So, here is our last pack. It was the thick one that we saw before. So, this is our last hit. So, we did not get points. So, that's good. This pack is really thick. Much thicker than the other one. So, let's see what we got. We got Todd Gurley. Derek Carr. Tariq Cohen. But we'll get to that end. Number to 199. In the back, we got another Shaquem Griffin. So, let's see. Oh, I guess I go this way. We got a rookie Packer. Marquez Valdez-Scantling is our last hit. Numbered to 199. And it looks like that. Nice, simple little jersey. MVS. There it is. And that is our last hit of the box. Not the hits I was really looking for out of this box. But it is a nice... it's not on card, but it's on sticker. And it kept the whole 3 letters on the sticker. So... Packer card 87. There's your guy. And we got Tariq Cohen, number to 199. Nice pink purple. And that would be our box. Did not get the hits I was hoping to get. But, you know, that is what it is. Sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. But they're nice hits. To recap, Marquez Valdez-Scantling RPA. We got a jumbo patch, Mike Gesicki. And we got the PC jersey of Jaleel Scott. So, not bad at all. And we got all of these cards are numbered. So, not going to complain. Oh, there you go. Dropping them. Not going to complain that much. So, if you like this product and you feel like you want to buy it yourself, you should definitely go to your hobby shop and get it, or go online and order it. If you like what you saw in this video, hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Check out Buck City Breaks for great breaks. Check out Get Ready Cards and donate what you can for some really cool kids. And thank you for watching, and have a wonderful rest of your day.